welcome to my channel. Bienvenido a mi canal. Well, I just got done creating this glam look. If you guys want to see how I created this beautiful look using the orange and the browns and a little pop of glitter, then please stay tuned. Bye. All right guys, so eyebrows are done. I already primed my eyes off camera. What I used was the Peace Louise base, and this is the Rumor 3. Love this primer. I'm always going to say it. But anyways, we're going to begin with the eye tutorial. I'm going to be using this palette right here, the Jaclyn Hill from Morphe. Loving this palette. I want to be playing with these colors. I'm liking the browns, the what is that, like a mustardy yellow color, that brownish color, and I'm going to be playing with this. Like, this is calling my name. What I'm going to be placing, I'm going to be placing this color on my crease area, and I'm just going to be using a fluffy brush. I'm going to be using this fluffy brush right here, and I'm going to be placing this color right here in the crease area. Super cute. Let's see how cute this is. Let me use my little mirror. So I'm going to place this right here in the crease area where you feel that bone. That's where you're going to place this color. Once you got your desired look of the shadow, then we're going to blend it circular motion with the brush or windshield wipers, whatever you prefer. It's like an orangey yellow color. But that color is beautiful. I'm gonna do it one more time because I want that color to be a little more bright. Love it, love it, love it. So now I'm going to use a smaller brush, and it looks like this. See that? And I'm going to be placing Smooth Caramel, this color right here, and I'm going to be placing that in the outer crease, so right over here, and then I'm going to bring it up, and then I'm going to do circular motion, really gentle, because you want the color to blend and mash together. And I'm going to grab Access, that orangey color that I used the first time, and I'm just going to bring it up top. And just blend it all. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut the crease halfway. So I'm starting to like this. I'm starting to like this technique using a little cotton swab like this and my micellar cleanser water. Loving this technique because it makes it super easy to cut the crease. And just cut it where I want to use that concealer. And I'm just going to do a half cut crease. And then I use the dry Q-tip and just voila for now. Then I'm going to be using my Peace Louise base, Rumor 3. I put a little bit on my hand. I'm going to be using this brush right here to cut the crease. And I'm just going to cut it. It should be easy because I already did it with the Q-tip. Crease is cut, so what I'm going to do is now I'm going to do the outer corner of the eyes, and I'm going to darken it up. So I'm going to be using both browns, these two browns right there, and I'm just going to bring it a little bit upwards. And I'm just darken the outer corner, bring it inwards and feather it out gently. This is like a little more glam for you girls that like the glam look. I'm liking that. So now what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to use this color right here. I'm going to be using this color right here, and I'm going to place it where I cut the crease. So I'm going to just use a fluffy brush. So I'm gonna use this cute little brush right here, and I'm gonna grab that color and I'm gonna place it where I cut the crease. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to be using glitter to underline my line. I don't know if I'm going to use orange or gold. So I'm going to be using this gold liner. Looks like this. And I'm going to place that and make like a line where I cut the crease. Alright guys, I'm gonna finish up my face. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to be placing this brown and this one together, and I'm just gonna place it underneath the waterline. Just like this. Just smoke it out a bit, and I'm connecting it with the brown on the corner. And do the same thing on the other eye. Beautiful. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use is copper. I'm going to place that on my waterline. I get so teary when I do this. All right, feel good. Ooh, don't tear up. All right, let's do it one more time. And if you don't have this copper color, also what this look will look great on is a nude eye pencil. This look will come out perfect if you guys don't have that copper color. Use a nude pencil underneath the waterline, and that will come out beautiful also. So we're going to finish up the eyes. We're almost done. I'm going to place one of these, this one or this one, in the inner corner. Let me see. That one or that one? Ooh, I don't know. Keep a little subtle or a little more dramatic. I'm going to use this one right here, a little more dramatic, and I'm going to use the coin, and I'm going to place that in my inner eyes. I'm going to use a flat brush like this, and I'm going to spray it because I want that glitter on the eyes. All right guys, let's see where the magic happened. Oh, that is beautiful. I love that. I want a little bit more because I am extra. This is a glam look. You have to go all out. There you go. Jeez, beautiful. That came out perfect. That made the whole look. That made the whole look. Oh, makeup make me feel so happy. You don't understand, guys. And just have a beautiful color on the eyes. You just feel so beautiful. Like, this is gorgeous. I'm loving everything. But I'm going to put a little more brown underneath the eyes because I want it a little more smoked out. That's gorgeous. That's gorgeous. So now I'm going to put mascara underneath my waterline. I'm going to use the Bad Girl Bang from Benefit. I'm going to place that underneath. I'm going to highlight my face. I'm going to use this one, Laura Seller from New York, and this is Glitter Honey. Gorgeous. Look how gorgeous is that. So of course I'm going to put it on my nose. I love putting it a line through my nose. I don't know why. And of course I'm going to put it here on my cheekbones. And a little bit on my brow bone. And on my lip. Now I'm gonna do my lips, and I'm gonna keep it simple just because this eye is super glam and nighttime going out type of look. A brown lipstick. So Let me matte my lip. So the look is done, guys. I'm just going to spray my face, and I'm going to be using e.l.f. Dewy Setting Spray. Alright guys, so this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this glam look, and if you guys did, then please give it a big thumbs up. Please comment, like, and also subscribe. And until my next video, adios.